Hello everyone. Do you guys remember the time when we used to send packages, deliveries or goods and it used to take minimum of 7 days? And sometimes if you are staying far away or you're sending a delivery that of someone who's staying far away, you usually it takes around 15 days for the delivery or the package to reach. But nowadays it takes only 4 days. Do you guys know why? Hello, everyone. My name is Sujan Matthew. I am the Associate Director and Principal Analyst here at Quadrant Knowledge Solutions, a global analyst company. And welcome to the new talk show series where we talk about the latest trends in a simple and cool manner. And today we are going to discuss on warehouse automation. Joining this discussion is my colleague Kumar Anand, who's the Principal Analyst and also an expert in warehouse automation. So, you guys might be thinking, what is warehouse automation? So, first of all, to answer that question, first of all, let us understand what is a warehouse. So, before these deliveries are actually, you get those deliveries, it is actually stored in large storage places, which are called as warehouses. So, these warehouses actually have around thousands to 10,000s of goods and packages that are managed and stored, which is why you would guess that there is a lot of management issues when it comes to improving speed and efficiency. So this is where warehouse automation comes in. So warehouse automation actually consists of industrial automation practices as well as robots that helps to manage your packages. So with respect to this, Kumar would give you more idea on what are the different types of warehouse automation. Kumar?
Yeah, of course, Sujan. So let me break down what they are for me, and I will be keeping an eye on how these robots evolve. And let's start with AGV first. So that is automated guided vehicle, and they are basically robots designed to transport materials from a manufacturing facility or a warehouse. Depending upon the industry verticals, they follow a marked lines or wires on the floor or uses radio waves, vision, cameras, magnets, or laser for navigations. So they are kind of a robotic carts that follow specific paths or pattern. If I talk about AMRs, how they are different, right? Then AMR autonomous mobile robots are a step up from AGV. They are
Yep.
smarter and more flexible. AMRs uses sophisticated sensors and onboard computers to understand their environments, and this allows them to move around dynamically, avoiding obstacles and changing their route in real time without needing any predefined paths or patterns. So, if I tell you about like what type sort of technologies do they use to manage all that. So AMRs are equipped with sensors, like various technologies. They're equipped with lidar technology, that is light detection and ranging, to create a 3D map of their surroundings. Then there is a computer vision, machine learning, which help the robot to make decisions based on what it sees. So if I define AMR in just one line, which is really cool, uh, to know, like they can basically see and learn from what's happening around them. They continuously learn from their surroundings, making them quite effective in dynamic environments like busy warehouses where things are always moving around.
Yeah, Kumar. Yeah, so certainly it's a cool way of saying it.
Yeah.
And apart from that, actually, there's also an upcoming trend about collaborative robots or cobots for short. So these collaborative robots actually work alongside with their human counterparts when managing these packages and deliveries. So what happens is after some parts of the automation is actually taken care by AMR, some kinds of AMRs and some
Correct.
basic kinds of AGVs and all. But apart from that, to speed up processes and to also make sure there is efficiency in these processes, cobots are being used nowadays. So these cobots are actually equipped with sensors and AI, to avoid obstacles and adapt to new environments very quickly. They also have a lot of safety protocols which make sure that the human that they're working with are not harmed. So on this, Kumar, could you elaborate more on how cobots are, changing the warehouse automation landscape?
Sure, Sujan. It's a very fascinating market space. So I have been looking into the latest trends regarding the AMRs and their adoption across different consumer segments. And I have noticed there is a surge in interest from some key players. So with the advancement in technology, companies like Decathlon, DHL, and other various enterprise warehouse are leveraging AMR more than ever. And while starting with the retail giants like Decathlon, they're utilizing AMRs for inventory management and goods transportation within their large stores, and which help them to um, enhance the overall warehouse operational flows and reduce the labor cost that Sujan you also have stated in your first line about the warehouse efficiency and reducing cost. So in logistic companies like DHL are developing AMRs for sorting packages and optimizing the flow within their distribution centers. This is not only speeds up the process but also address safety and ergonomics for employees. So, in fact, many enterprise warehouse are adopting a fleet of AMRs for picking and placing goods, and this shifts is a part of a broader strategy to automate repetitive tasks and focus human labor or more value added activities. So from my ongoing research on the autonomous mobile robots 2024, it is clear that the versatility of AMRs here is opening up the opportunities across multiple sectors. And from the research, I've also seen a keen interest from the healthcare for tasks like drug delivery within the hospitals and even in large offices environments for efficient mail distributions. And each of these sectors adapts the technology to fit their unique operational needs, significantly driving the advancement and adoption of AMR's market. So it's an exciting time, Sujan, to witness how these innovations are transforming industries far and wide.
Exciting times indeed, Kumar. So, like you would have understood from this discussion, what you've understood would be that AI and emerging technology is not taking away jobs from you. It's actually improving and making you the entire experience of working much more engaging and wanting you to perform better and improving your productivity. So, with these things in mind, the adoption rates are actually going quite high. Most of the companies which employ such capabilities are actually leading to happier employees. So, that's all for today. Thank you all for joining. Bye, everyone, and stay curious.
Thank you.